How to fix Google Play Store app missing on Android. Now, for some reason, if you're not being able to locate the Google Play Store on your Android and if you think it's missing, now unless your device has been banned Google services like Huawei and so on or other companies, and depending upon your brand, there should be Google Play Store and it cannot go missing because it is a system app for you to install the apps. It could just have been that it's hidden. Now if it's a newly purchased device and you're not sure, you can try to look for its reviews online, whether it comes with the Play Store or not. But if it's showing in other devices, not in your device, then it could be something is wrong there within your settings. So what we're going to do is we can go ahead and then first open up settings. After we open settings on Android, go to the option called apps. Under apps, make sure to select show system apps as well. So you can try to tap the three dots option, select show all apps or anything as such. After that, over here you can simply type in Google, something related to Google Play or Google Play services. When you've done that, you can see I have successfully found Google Play Store. So if it's showing here but not showing on your home screen, it could have been that the app is disabled. So you'll find the option to enable it again, which will sometimes most likely bring it back on your app drawer. Or sometimes it could just be the app icon is missing. So depending upon which launcher you're using, the icon could have been hidden. So you can try to restore that icon as well. Otherwise, you can try to reset your app preferences. So when you come under apps again, tap the three dots, select app preferences. If you have hidden any apps or disabled apps, you'll be able to go ahead and restore all those apps. You can also try to check for a software update because it could have been missing during the update as well. Try to update it and that should help you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.